Hello Arjun, how are you?
I am fine. Are you fine?
Yes, I am fine also, thank you. Where have you come from?
I have come from a supermarket.
What have you bought from there?
I have bought a jackfruit.
Jackfruit?
Why don't you like to eat jackfruit?
No, I don't like to eat jackfruit.
Why? It is our national food.
It looks very ugly. I don't like its look.
No, don't think like that. Jackfruit is a cute fruit. It is little bit big.
Is it tasty?
Yes, of course. It's tasty.
Why do you think so?
I think jackfruit is really good for our health. It is tasty too.
Why is it good for our health?
If you eat jackfruit, it will help you to digest your food. Your skin will glow. Even it has calcium. So we must eat jackfruit. We get this food in summer. We must eat jackfruit in this season.
May I see the jackfruit?
Of course, here it's not ripe yet.
When will you cut it?
When it will ripe, of course I will cut it. I would like to invite you to eat jackfruit in my house.
I'll come for sure. Thank you so much.
I'll call you.
Okay dear, bye.